You got me the knives, first of all.
There's the knife.
This is aggressive. I can't even cut a plátano with this.
Yes, you can.
No, Gabby, this is intense.
That's my cutter. That's like
You're trying to kill.
my go-to knife to cut.
It's not okay. Okay. Ready?
Yes.
What's up? Wait, I'm not looking at the camera. I'm looking at you guys. Take 17.
Bubba, stop.
For real, Bubba. Is that necessary? She has a channel as well. Bubba! If you're interested, then just keep watching. What's up guys, it's your girl Denise and I'm here with another video, and today I have my really good girlfriend Gabby.
Hello.
Gabby has her own YouTube page as well, Gabriela Bandy. Gabby is into fitness, health, lifestyle, living good, happy, just good vibes, just what it is. So today I grabbed Gabby and I was like, Gabby, we're both Latinas, and I was like, why don't we do a video for my channel where we cook a typical dish from our countries. I'm Dominican, you're Hondureña from Honduras. So she's down, and yeah, we're gonna do a video. We're gonna do a little cooking show, or we're gonna try. I'm gonna cook plátano. I was gonna do salami, but we couldn't find salami. Plátano con salami. Plátano con salami. Plátano con salami. I couldn't find salami anywhere, which is so upsetting. Like, they don't have a Dominican like grocery store here. They have a Hispanic grocery store, but they don't have like a lot of options. So I have plátano. We're gonna do eggs, because we also do like plátano, salami, huevo frito. Instead of salami, we're gonna do
longaniza.
That's such an aggressive word, longaniza, which is kind of, it's like a type of sausage, and we, you know, typically use this in DR as well. Salami would have been better, but gotta work with what we got. So when God gives you lemons, you make
lemonade.
That's what I'm gonna use. What do you use?
So I'm gonna be making un plato que es bien típico en Honduras. It's called baleadas. But here's the thing, okay? I don't really have time to make these tortillas from scratch.
That sounds like a challenge, a whole like video trying to make tortillas.
But in Honduras, like, that's the thing. Like, you will make the tortilla like by scratch, con la mano, hacer así.
That's talent right there.
But I can't do it. So I have tortillas de harina. We have frijoles. Esos son frijoles ducal, which they're like basically like mashed beans. This is sour cream, crema hondureña, and some huevos. So baleadas is super easy. It's literally like a burrito, but like a Honduran style. Oh, and then I have el queso frijolero. And yeah, that's about it.
Alright, to start, I'm gonna start with the longaniza, because this is what's gonna take me the longest. The plátano, literally you chop that shit up and it cooks super quick, and you guys obviously know eggs.
You gotta peel it though, and then slice it. And then...
But I think this, like, I need to actually broil. I don't know how to say it.
Boil it?
Boil it. Not boil it, pero déjalo en agua un ratico, mami dijo.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, mami dijo que llena esto con agua y después...
I'm about to scramble these eggs. You guys know how to scramble eggs, right? I would hope. So what did I need you, Denise?
We met... Wait, first of all, why am I opening the eggs? You see, this is the thing that when you get distracted... Okay, so I met Gabby.
Oh, can I actually tell this first part of the story?
Yeah. Yeah, actually, I want to know You tell me how you met me and what you thought.
Okay, so the very first time that I ever saw Denise's face was like on Instagram.
No, you're lying.
Yes, listen.
I didn't know this. Oh my God, I'm excited.
Because I obviously, we both used to live in Miami, and I used to get clothes from this boutique called Electric Boutique.
Oh my God.
So they would like send me stuff for me to wear and like post it on my Instagram. So I would go on their page a lot to like look at what they had. So when I was like selecting, dude, you gotta use
Gabby's like my mom, guys, low key. Whenever I'm with her, I feel like she's just like, she's very motherly. She reminds me of my mom also. Ew, this is disgusting, guys.
I know.
Oh my God, I literally want to throw up. Guys, by the way, I stopped eating red meat and like pork and shit.
You did?
Just look at that. Like, what is that? Oh my God. I mean, I'm gonna eat it, but like, I don't like cooking it because it just looks disgusting. I literally want to throw up right now. Oh my God. Okay.
You can do this.
I can do this. Go, Gabby, continue.
So my eggs are done. So anyway, I saw Denise on their Instagram because I guess she used to do these little like fashion little shows. Like,
well, I don't know. That's when I first started modeling. Yeah.
So she would do like these videos where she would be like, "Oh my god, it's so funny because I used to make fun of your accent." Because she'd be like,
"That's not okay." PG-13, guys. PG-13. Anyways, keep going.
So she'd be like, "Hi guys, my name is Denise Rodriguez and I'm here with Electric Boutique."
Wait, pause. You're not talking about when I used to model for Electric Boutique. She's talking about these.
No, when you used to make these fashion. Like,
yes, so I used to, my first job ever was working for this digital media site called Style Blazer, and I used to do fashion videos for them. And I used to like go to different boutiques and like pick out clothes and like remake Rihanna's look. Those are the videos you're talking about?
Yeah. You used to be like, "I'm gonna show you how you can wear these pants in 5 different ways."
Yeah.
And then she would come out, she'd be like, "It's super chic, I love it." And then she would do like her Denise poses where she's like, and she's like, and I was like, "Oh, interesting." And then I remember like that was the first time I ever saw like Denise. And then I don't know how was it.
The first time we met, it was because Natalie was doing that video to Beyonce's song, and she wanted different people from different countries to represent their country in that video.
Yeah, and I remember we were so hyped to make this video.
So hyped.
We were like, felt like we're gonna get on LA.
Yeah, like we thought it was gonna be the video of the year. We thought it was gonna be the video of the year. Like, bitch, we're off.
It's so crazy to think about how like we were, and that wasn't so long ago. Like, yeah, it was a few years ago, but it wasn't forever ago, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
Like where we were at that point, and like where we are at right now.
I know, it's crazy. And the crazy thing is that when I first met her, I just met her that day, and you didn't live by me. Like we both lived in Miami in Florida, but you lived like
in Miramar.
In Miramar, which is like 45 minutes from where I live. Because of that, we met that one day and we didn't really hang out with each other again.
We were just like, "Oh yeah, follow me on Instagram."
Yeah.
So she got her boobs done, right? And she was like, "Come visit me." I think before you got your boobs done though, we did another shoot together.
Yes, for Lotus. That's right, I saw you then.
Dude, we did this photo shoot that was like 2 days, like full days of like, we had to model like 200 outfits. That's the day I realized modeling is not for me. I was like, hell no. I want to go home. I was cranky.
Yeah, it was intense. And that's right, we did see each other that second time for that.
Yeah, so we basically spent 2 days like modeling for a store. So I guess we did have a little bit of time to hang out.
Yeah.
And then that's when you got your boobs done, and you'd be like, "Come visit me." And I was like, "Okay, I'll try to make it." And then eventually I did go to her house in Kendall, and I saw her baby pictures, and I was like, her lips are real. I was like, yes. Because I used to always be like, yeah, this girl got some big ass lips.
You thought they were fake since then?
No, I didn't think they were fake.
Okay.
But seeing the picture, because I feel like your lips, like they're big, but like it fits you, like it just, I don't know, to me they look natural from the day I met you.
Thank you.
But seeing the pictures, I was like, extra confirmation.
For real, because guys,
if you don't want to ask, you know, like I want to be like, "Hey, are your lips fake?" Like,
yeah, I know, and like for me, it's like I get it. Before, to tell you the truth, I used to never get that comment. Now, obviously, because of the generation we live in, and
which is so dumb.
It's so annoying. Honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna do because the comments just get worse and worse as like the following grows and whatever, and it bothers the crap out of me. And I know I shouldn't allow it to bother me. But it honestly bothers me, especially because, like you just said, you see my baby picture, guys, and I swear to God, it's crazy. I have the same lips on a baby. Like, it's crazy. And so people see that and still have the audacity to be like, you have silicone in your lips, and I'm like, get out of my face. Like,
and it's dumb because just because now people get surgeries, it's like you can't just naturally have these features.
And what's annoying too for me is that I don't care. If my lips were fake, I would tell you my boobs are fake. If I got work done, I wouldn't care to let the public know, because one thing I'm really big on, we influence a lot of people, and even if I'm not even addressing my following, I'm influencing my family. My little cousins are looking at the things I'm posting, and I think about those things. So it's like, I don't want to ever put out an image of like, yeah, I'm perfect just like this, and like, I don't edit my photos and I don't do, no, yes, we do. We all edit our photos. If a dress makes you look a little thicker than what you do look like in real life, you're gonna cinch in that waist. Like, I'm gonna be real with you guys. But that's so funny. So she came over when I got my boobs done. I mean, I don't know if you know this, but I thought to myself, I was like, wow, like, this is a really good girl, like a dope friend.
And like we didn't know each other that well.
Yeah, we didn't. We weren't that close to each other.
I'm gonna go see this girl who just got her tits done.
Then after that, you moved to LA. When I started coming by coastally, the second time I came out, I actually, she said, the second time I came out, I actually stayed with her for like, what, 2 months or a month?
It's so funny too because when I first moved here, I lived in a house with 2 guys. So, like, yes, I lived in a house, but like, I just had one room. Like,
One room.
I didn't have an extra room for anyone, nothing like that. So we sleep in the same bed.
For a month.
When I would go out of town, like, you would stay at my place, like.
And like drive her car, take care of things, like, which is crazy to think that that's where we started and to look at us now.
Yeah.
You have your own 2-bedroom, I have my own apartment. Like, that's crazy. That's crazy. Guys, I want to teach you really quick. My grandma, if you guys watch my Growing Up Latina video, you already know we learn how to cook very early. There's a specific way to peel plátanos. You cut off one edge. Can you see this?
Oh, I want to see your way because I have a way too.
Yeah? So okay, so then I'm going to show you guys. I already cut off this end. Then you cut off the other end. The reason why I asked for a smaller knife is because you would want a smaller knife because you have to hold the knife all the way in the end to control the knife completely. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this with this knife because I might cut my whole hand off. But basically, you see the banana? It has like those little ends right here. This end right there and right there. That's what you're gonna follow through with your knife. You're not gonna go into the banana, you're just gonna lightly, you see how like it's what, like a little miniature inch of where the actual banana is? That's what it's cutting off. So you're gonna put your knife there and follow the line. Right? Just follow the line, follow the line. You're not inserting the knife any more deeper than where I started. You're gonna come to the end and just right there. You're literally, it's like, you know what I just thought of? When you're laying down your edges of your bun, that is literally what you're doing to this banana, is you're peeling off the little edge. You go down.
Are you going all the way out in there?
Yeah.
That
and then
interesting.
you're gonna go like this. Literally comes right off.
Oh my God.
And then you do that to each side. So then you just, again, go here and just follow it. You see my thumb motion? It's like I'm allowing my thumb to help me push through.
Yeah.
Oh shit. And then it literally peels right off. Like, you don't even need to do that much work. And that's how you peel a platana.
I want you to see mine. I feel like your way is so hard.
No way.
It's so much work.
Okay.
But I don't know, you're used to it, so. Okay, so I basically just take the knife and wherever I want, I don't really mark it. I cut from the beginning all the way to the bottom, but I'm not going all the way in. Like, I'm only doing it a little bit with the tip of the knife, so that it's only cutting like the actual outer corner. And then I just, with the knife, I just kind of like loosen this up and like open it up to the sides. And then with my fingers, I just come and I peel it. See that?
First of all.
What?
Oh my God. Ta-da! I'm shook. What the hell?
And this one is easier because it's like plátano maduro. Like the ones that are really green are harder.
Yeah.
So the green ones, like I would put the water hot and I would do it as the water is like falling on it because that makes it like soften up and open up. Yeah.
So just so you guys know, these plátanos, after you peel them, all you need to literally do is put oil on the pan and fry them. And then it cooks itself. You just, obviously you're turning it. And then when you take them off, you put a little bit of salt. Done. Gabby, tell them a little bit of like what you do.
Maybe I should wait on the tortilla because I'm pretty much done.
Yeah. Chill.
So
talk to them. Tell me about what you do. You know.
What do I do? So I have a fitness app. It's called Workouts by Gabriela. I'm also launching an activewear line next week. Which is crazy to say because it's been something I've been working on for like a year and a half.
Girl, well, longer than that because you've been talking about it since I lived with you.
I know. Well, it has been an idea.
Yeah. So crazy. We literally spoke about that when I lived with her, about her idea of wanting to start her own line. And
because I really didn't want to, because I know you can like buy stuff that's already made and like put your brand name on it. But I really didn't want to do that. Like I wanted to design my own stuff. And you good.
When you guys are making plátanos, you don't want to fill up the pan with all your plátanos. You want to make sure that the only ones that fit on the pan enough to just lay are the ones you're cooking at the moment. Flip, flip, flip. Once those are done, then put the rest. You can't just like throw all the plátanos at once.
Why?
Because
So tiene la tortilla de harina con frijoles, huevo y le voy a echar un poquito de queso, lo deshice, mantequilla o la crema. Everybody has a different name for this. I don't know where to stand so that I don't block you.
I'm really hot. Nah, I can't. See this cooking?
Bájale.
I did.
Her egg is like, making bubbles over there. Así se ve adentro.
Thanks. Wow, Gabriela, that looks beautiful.
And then you close it and you eat it.
Mmm.
So your baleada is right here.
You know, I really don't know how to make a fried egg. Am I doing it right?
Oh my God, mija, no.
I'm just forgetting about it.
Denise is breaking down like it's cooking video gone wrong.
Like, I know I got adentro.
So my dog is probably like, I'm dying. What's it like?
Alright guys, I have plated my plate. This is the end of all the cooking shows, guys. Fun fact, I used to love watching the food channel when I was like in school, in high school, and middle school. And when mommy would ask me to help her cook, I would lay everything out like they do in like the cooking shows, and I would like help her chop things up. Like, I'd love that. If I didn't want to do entertainment, I would probably be a chef or like work in the CIA. Anyways, so
Work in the CIA?
yes, I like love like criminal things and I love cooking things. It's the weirdest thing. So I just plated. So we have a little bit of plantains, which I'm gonna put a little salt. I need your salt.
I have salt right here.
Longaniza, which is our replacement for salami. And huevo frito. Huevo frito.
Because at this point, this is the ugliest egg I've ever made.
And I'm done, guys. Little typical Dominican.
Oh my God.
Guys, I'm so proud of us. Give me 5. This is wifey.
Killed it.
Hashtag wifey.
Even though we almost burned down the kitchen.
You're right. But listen, you know what? I think that all that matters is that you try.
We did.
As long as you try.
It's the effort that matters.
It's the effort. And now we're gonna try each other's plates. So what is this called again?
Baleada.
Baleada. You know
What is this called?
Plátano longaniza con huevo.
Oh my God.
Wow.
It's good.
You like it? It's good. First of all, that face does not look like you like it.
No, I do.
Oh my God. After I just stuffed my face, I loved, what's
My
it called?
favorite part was the plátanos.
The plátanos. Plátanos always get people like, it's just, I don't know what it is about the plátano con salami. I love the baleada. So good. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, learned how to cook a little Honduran dish, a little Dominican dish.
You guys should try them out.
Try them out at home, and if you guys do make them at home, please post on your stories on Instagram and tag us, because I would love to see if you guys try to make this or anything. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to both of our channels. I'll link Gabby's channel down below. I'll link her fitness app, all her information. Stay tuned for her fitness line. I am a model in it. And
Coming out next week.
Coming out next week.
Ooh, and you're gonna see her pictures. Fire.
Really?
Yes, I gotta show you some.
Anything.
Yeah.
You have to show me.
Yeah.
She wanted me to have curly hair. I mean, it was up, but I had curly hair, natural makeup.
It was good that you had it like that. It's just like it looked really good, yeah.
Good. I love her fitness line. It's amazing material. It's gonna be amazing. I am so excited for her. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Mwah! And I'll see you guys here next time.
See you later. Don't forget to subscribe.